Hello and welcome to the show. Today we're exploring a truly human marvel, creativity. How does our brain actually produce those novel, valuable ideas? Neuroscience is increasingly uncovering the secrets, showing us it's not down to one brain spot, but a dynamic interplay of large-scale brain networks. Let's meet the key players. First up is the default mode network, or DMN. Think of it as your brain's internal ideas lab. It's active when you're daydreaming, mind-wandering, or imagining new possibilities. This is where many believe fresh, spontaneous ideas originate. Next, we have the Executive Control Network, the ECN. This network is the pragmatic project manager. It engages for tasks that demand attention, planning, and decision-making. When it comes to creativity, the ECN steps in to evaluate, refine, and select the promising ideas that bubble up from the DMN. It helps sift through the noise and focus on what's useful. There is also the Salience Network, which some research suggests helps switch between the DMN and ECN and flags important information. What's fascinating is how these networks, especially the DMN and ECN, which can often be at odds, collaborate for creative thought. Imagine a dance. The DMN explores broadly for ideas, while the ECN helps channel these towards a useful outcome. This dynamic interaction is considered a key marker of creative ability. Highly creative individuals often show a greater ability to engage these networks together. This cooperation fits a two-step model for generating original thoughts. The first step is idea generation. This is largely the DMN's domain, sparking a wide range of possibilities, a process called divergent thinking. You might know this from exercises like list all the uses for a brick. The focus here is on the number, variety, and uniqueness of ideas. The second step is idea evaluation and refinement. Here, the ECN takes the lead, assessing the novelty and appropriateness of the ideas, selecting the most promising. This aligns more with convergent thinking, homing in on the single best solution. So what does this look like in the brain? Neuroimaging studies show increased DMN activity during initial creative tasks. More importantly, enhanced connection between the DMN and ECN is linked to higher creative performance. Specific brain regions within these networks, like the medial prefrontal cortex and parts of the temporal lobe, are consistently active. Some research even links alpha brainwaves and higher brain entropy, a measure of complex, flexible brain activity, to more creative thinking. Several factors can influence this neural dance. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to reward, seems to support cognitive flexibility. Certain sleep stages, especially REM sleep, may help forge unusual idea connections. And practices like mindfulness meditation have shown potential in boosting connectivity between the DMN and ECN. The neuroscience of creativity is a rapidly advancing field. While the roles of the DMN and ECN are becoming clearer, researchers are still mapping the precise choreography of their interaction. Unlocking these neural mechanisms promises to revolutionize how we approach education, problem-solving, and innovation across all fields. Thanks for tuning in.